In this video, I'll show you how to fix the camera not working problem on your Android phone. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Now look for the Camera app in the list. You can scroll down to find it, or use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Once you tap on Camera, select Force Stop and confirm your choice. This will completely close the app. Next, tap on Storage or Storage and Cache. Then tap on Clear Data and confirm. This will reset the camera app settings and remove temporary files that might be causing the issue. After clearing the data, go back and open the camera app again to check if it's working properly. Hopefully, one of these methods fixes the camera not working problem on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.